So good morning guys, it's Jaleisha. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to attempt at vlogging. Let's see how that goes, because honestly this is like my third or fourth time attempting to vlog. You guys, I'm not a good vlogger. First of all, my camera is super heavy, so for me to hold it all the time is just annoying. And then also my mind is so one-tracked, so like I'll start vlogging and then I'll get in the middle of doing something and I'll forget to grab my camera. But honestly, yeah, that's just how it is. So I'm going to try my best to vlog today. I don't really have too much going on, so we shall see what the day has in store for us. Honestly, I'm a pretty boring person, so I very rarely do anything. But this morning I actually have to attend a basketball game for my little brother, so I'm excited about that. My makeup is pretty plain and simple today. I'm wearing glasses. Yes, if you don't know, I wear glasses. I'm really blind. My lip is Kylie Cosmetics Court K. Yeah, really simple. Not wearing any foundation. Honestly, this is how I wear my makeup majority of the time, unless I'm filming YouTube videos. So yeah, and my beanie is from Urban Outfitters. I got it years ago. So yeah, so really quick, this is my outfit of the day. This is how I dress majority of the time. Sweatpants, sneakers, and a t-shirt. This is my go-to outfit for everything. So yeah, let's go. Hi, brother. Made it. Say hi. You're not gonna look at the camera. What? Dang, she fussing already. Number 8. He's my favorite number, by the way. Mi madre, mi sister. Hey y'all, say hi to the camera. Be showing off for y'all. Okay. Hands up. Now get the rebound. Try to score. Oh my gosh. Look at his face.
Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want.
He put his hands in his pocket every time he make it. He's showing the fans love. Black mothers be like. Look at hands in the pocket. You got 15 points. Okay. Yeah. Who was counting? The hoodlum. Ooh, that's a bucket. Okay. Get it. Oh, LeBron who? Dang, Leslie, all that height for nothing, huh? Look at this. Was that an air ball? Oh, he need to take the jacket off. That's what it was. It was holding you back, huh? Ah! Dang. Yeah. Ooh! I hope they got his shirts. Okay, let's see. How old are you? 11. Ooh. Okay, Quincy, what you got? None. The shade. Oh! Oh! Bucket! Go ahead. One more time. Oh! 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 Oh, man.
Let's go.
I'm good.
Dun, 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 dun.
Should I get a cart to get a cart?
Yes, to get a cart.
I'll get a small one.
I think you're gonna need a big
I honestly
one.
don't have any money.
She's gonna need a big cart. A big cart.
Oh, this color is so pretty. This is only $7.
They're looking nice.
It's only $7. This face right here. They have another one. This is the remember from my haul?
Oh, I seen it.
It's $15.
15. This pretty. This plate.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's really pretty.
Oh my gosh, do I really need this?
Do you really need it?
I think I did. I think I do need it. So I can switch it in and out with the vase on my dining room table. Ooh.
I knew you was gonna look at that.
This will go with my bed. This is $25 for one of these. That's too much money.
For one.
Ooh, this shower good.
It is.
Leslie, do I need this?
Look at the ruffles in it.
I know, it's so
It's a
pretty.
lot of detailing.
It like
It's cute.
goes with my bathroom thing. But it's $20. Do I want to spend $20 on this?
When you say $20, you make it sound so ugly. Ooh. It's like a window. Look what we found. Look what we found.
I should have got a bigger cart.
I knew it.
Alright, so I'm putting this back because we're not doing this.
We're gonna drop that. Dun, 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 dun,
This bowling alley look all like old and
It
look all beat
it don't even
down.
look like they did.
It looks like no one works here. It
no,
looks like we're about to go into like some, I don't know, zombie apocalypse.
a zombie
type
bowling
stuff.
lane. Pose, pose, sis.
Hey! What size shoe you in?
A 12.
Size 13 B9?
Feel like my life ain't hard. Taking my time.
What? Okay, Leslie. Okay. 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 Hit a little dance. All right. All right. Ooh. Go, Corey. Go. Go, Corey. Go. Yeah. Oh, don't fall down.
And I see my tears melting in the snow.
Okay. Do a dance for me. Do a dance. Do a dance. And the slippery earl. Yeah. Here you go.
Come on, give me some good luck. Give me some good luck.
Good luck, good luck, good luck, touch. How does it feel? Good. I have all my children with me. Girl. picture with me in it.
Girl.
Look at that. Okay.
So I'm home now. I'm actually going to start cleaning up my room, like my office slash closet area. So I'm going to clean that up, and I just have a lot of stuff I need to get organized in there. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the mirror that we have, and it has like the same sort of design. This one's a little more fancier, but this is a theme, and in my bedroom I mix silver and gold, so it's gonna look very nice. So you guys, this is my Saturday night. I'm putting together these Alex drawers from IKEA. So let's see, it's now, it is 6:30. I'm about 10 minutes in. This is what I've done so far. Pretty much nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to put this whole thing together by myself tonight. Had to take a Snickers break. Let's see. So it's 7:04. This is what I've completed so far. I just have to do the drawers, and literally this comes to my chest. Like, I didn't realize it was this tall, but I'm excited because this one in particular is for all my makeup, and then I'm gonna get another one for like my scarves and clutches and stuff like that. So you guys, this is the finished product. It's now, what is it, 9:30. So yeah, it took a while, but there's mini drawers in here. I really like these Alex drawers. As you guys can see, I have a few. Ignore the stuff over there, but I do have some already with like some makeup, and I'm just gonna move some of this stuff over here. Like, I have a lot of organizing to do. So yeah, I got it done in like 2 hours, including lots of Instagram and Snapchat breaks, and also I ate dinner. So yeah, my back is killing me now, but I'm so excited and I can't wait to finish. So you guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I mean, I don't really do too much on a daily basis, or on the weekends for that matter. My lipstick has worn off from dinner, but it lasted all day. So yeah, I'm beat. My hair is crazy. I'm tired. I need to wash my makeup off and go to bed. Like, and it's only 9:30, but I would like to go and just relax and, you know, get my life together. Subscribe if you aren't, and also leave video suggestions. If you like this vlog and want to see more vlogs, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and like I said, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.